Dear students, in this lecture 4, The Enchanted Pool, UP Board Class 10th English Reader Chapter 1. We came to know the answers given by Yudhishthira in lecture 3. He answered 7 questions. Now let's see how Yudhishthira answered the question 8. In question 8, which is the biggest vessel, was asked by the Yaksha. Yaksh asked Yudhishthira, what is the biggest pot? The answer of Yudhishthira was that the earth which contains all within itself. It is the greatest vessel. Yudhishthira answered that this earth is the biggest vessel because it contains everything. Next question number 9 was, what is happiness? How can you define happiness? What is joyfulness? The answer given by Yudhishthira, happiness is the result of good conduct. Means happiness is the feeling that comes after behaving well and after behaving with good conduct. Whenever we show good behavior towards others, and we get contentment and relief, that is called happiness, and that was the answer given by Yudhishthira. When Yaksh asked question number 10, what is that by giving up which man becomes loved by all? Yaksh asked, what is the thing when you give up and you become a beloved person by all? What is that? The answer of Yudhishthira was, it is pride. Whenever a person gives up, whenever a person leaves pride, he is loved by all. Because if man gives up being proud, he will be loved by all. What is the loss which yields joy and not sorrow, was the question number 11 asked by Yaksha. Then the answer of Yudhishthira was, anger. If we give up being angry, it means if we give up being angry, if we don't get angry on anybody, definitely we will be no longer sad. It means we will no longer be subject to sorrow. It means sorrow will not touch us. We will be happy. In question number 12, Yudhishthira was asked by the Yaksh, what is that by giving up which man becomes rich? It means what is the thing if a man gives it up, he becomes rich. The answer of Yudhishthira was desire. Desire is the thing. If a man gives up it, man becomes rich. If man gives up being greedy, it means if man doesn't feel greedy, if he gives up being greedy, he will be wealthy, because contentment will be his and he will be self-satisfied and everything will be his. In this way he will be wealthy. What makes one a real Brahman? It means what makes a person really a pious man is a birth, good conduct, learning. Any of these three means taking birth in the family of Brahmins, showing good behavior towards others, or taking knowledge of so many Vedas and Upanishads. Was asked by Yaksha, and he was also commanded to give answer decisively. It means with good decision. The answer of Yudhishthira was to be considered, was a great answer. The answer was, birth and learning do not make one Brahman, good conduct alone does. According to his answer, birth and learning can't make anybody pious or Brahman, good conduct alone does. It means the good behavior of a person makes him pious and great man. However learned a person may be, it means however learned a person may be, means a person may be scholar, a person may be may have a great possession of knowledge, but he will not be a Brahmin, he will not be a pious man. He will be a pious man without giving. He will not be a pious man without giving up bad habits. It means to be a man of soul, man of good soul, he will have to give up bad habits. Even though he may be learned in the 4 Vedas, it means no man can be called pious. Even he had gone through all the four Vedas. He will be pious by showing good conduct. If he doesn't show, he will be destroyed. What is the greatest wonder in the world? Was asked by Yaksha to Yudhishthira. In the answer of this question, Yudhishthira said, every day men see creatures depart to Yama's kingdom. It means everybody observes dying creatures from this world to the Yama, and yet those who remains want to live forever. In other words, but the persons who are alive, and even when they know that everybody will have to die, everybody has to die one day, even then they desire to live forever. This is the greatest wonder in this world. This is truly the greatest wonder. Now, students, the rest part of this chapter we will see in the lecture 5, and keep on watching ORAC classes of English language. Thanks.